Before you is a Philips TUV 30 ultraviolet lamp designed for use in germicidal units. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz OV lamp. Lamp labeling options are listed on its page on the website. Characteristics: the bulb has 2 metal bases with 2 pins on either side. Power 30W, operating current 0.3A, 3 sounding power 13W. Dimensions: lamp length 908.8 mt, arc length 894.6 mt, tube diameter 2060, base diameter 25V. 9,000 hours of service life. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each bulb is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with a soft protection filler inside. We guarantee the safety of the delivery and free replacement in case of damage. We always have all kinds of components in stock on any germicidal units: lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connector. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.